Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2014 Ducati Monster 1200 with ABS. This bike has just a little over 5,000 miles on it and is still in mint condition. So let's take a walk around it. I'll show you the highlights and then we'll fire it up. This bike has been kept very clean, been taken very good care of. Tires on it are in great shape. It comes with frame sliders, soft grips, a tech mount, tank pad, passenger seat cowl, and a full GPR exhaust system. Tires are still in great shape, got plenty of miles left on them. And again, frame slider, soft grip. Just a really, really beautiful Ducati. $5,018 is what's on it. This Monster 1200 has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this duck from us, you will get a discount on your parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.